everybody! In comments below my videos, you often ask me how do I take care of my skin. In one of my previous videos, I shared with you my morning routine, and now I want to share an evening routine, so that in the morning I look fresh and rested. First things first, I'm cleansing my skin from any makeup. I don't use any foams or cleansers, and obviously not soap. I remove my makeup with oil. I have already shown you how I do it in one of my previous videos. I'm going to link this video below in the description. So I wash my face with water and after that apply oil. After that I remove oil together with makeup with a cotton pad or a face towel dipped into hot water. I also have a video about how to pick the right oil for your skin. I'm also going to link it down below in the description. Wait, I forgot to tell you that at the beginning of the video you should ask everybody to click the bell, otherwise they miss all the videos. Click the bell in order to be the first one to see our newest video. See, I said it. Good. After cleansing my face, I do exercises that are going to loosen face muscles. I'm going to show them to you today. And the most important thing is the right way of sleeping. I make sure that my bedroom has enough fresh air. Turn on a humidifier. I have dinner 3 hours before going to bed to avoid swelling and drink a glass of water 1 hour before I go to bed. I go to sleep not later than 10 p.m. and sleep on my back on a special pillow. After cleansing my skin, I move on to exercising. In the morning routine, I do a lymphatic drainage. In the evening, I do exercises that are loosening the muscles. Starting off by softening of the forehead muscle, sticking your fingers to the forehead and moving the skin in all different directions. After that, we're moving on to the wrinkles between our eyebrows, grabbing a fold of tissue between your fingers and massaging through it, going all the way up to the beginning of your eyebrow. After that, applying face cream and in sliding motions, working through every area on your forehead. You should apply your face cream little by little and massage till it gets absorbed into your skin. Paying attention to each little area. And now we're going to loosen the area between your eyebrows, sliding your fingers apart from each other, smoothing out the wrinkles. Moving on to loosening of the lateral nose muscle, applying just a little tiny bit of face cream and massaging on the side of your nose. Moving upwards and then sliding back down and repeating the exercise again. It's crucial to loosen the chewing muscles because those are the ones responsible for the face shape. Apply your favorite face cream on the middle part of your face. Tap your fingers deeply into the muscle at the corner of your lower jaw and slowly open your mouth, letting your fingers slide upwards and elongate the muscle. In the same way, work through the presser muscles that pull corners of your lips down. Apply a little bit of face cream. Tap your fingers deeply into the muscle at the place of their attachment and slowly open your mouth, letting your fingers slide upwards, elongating the muscle. Following exercises that are going to loosen your face muscles, I'm doing already in bed. In order to loosen your trapezius muscles, tap your fingers deeply into it and hold in this position for several seconds. Move the position of your fingers a little bit and tap them deeply into the muscle. After several seconds, move your fingers again. And move on to the back side of your neck. Sliding your fingers down along your spine and a little bit to the side at the end. In deep sliding motions, loosen your muscles. Now let's move on to loosening of the back side of your head. Put your fingers in the middle of the back of your head and lift your head up by tapping your fingers deeply into the muscle. After that, move on to massaging the area around your ears. Put your fingers at the place of your ears attachment, stick your fingers to the skin and move it in all different directions, separating it from the skull bones. Move your fingers in the direction of the back of your head. After that, in deep sliding motions, work through your forehead and your temples, doing it with the whole palm of your hand, in deep sliding motion starting from the temples. One hand should follow the other in a way that you would be kind of passing the tissue from one to another. You can continue with this exercise for about 2 minutes. And let's get back to loosening of your chewing muscles. In soft circular motions, work out through the whole muscle. Now let's move on to the circular muscle of your mouth. Grab your lips between your fingertips and press through them. And now let's move on to your chin. Grab your chin between your fingers and slide the upper fingers down, kind of elongating the muscles and connecting your fingers at the end. And now I want to go back to the topic of rejuvenating face cleansing. Many of you asked me if you can actually do it every day. And in this massage, I'm using deep lymphatic drainage, which I would only recommend doing to people who have tendency to swelling. And you should do this face cleansing as a course 8 to 10 times. If you want to do this face cleansing on a daily basis, then you shouldn't do those exercises with such strength, but just focus on cleansing. If you found this video useful, subscribe to our channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And again, click the bell to see our newest video.